Hello everyone, today we will do the second lab of Quest Create and Manage Cloud Resources. Click on Creating a Virtual Machine. In this lab today we will learn how to create a virtual machine. So this lab contains 4 tasks. Task 1 is creating a new instance from Cloud Console. Task 2 is install an nginx web server. Task 3 is create a new instance with gcloud, and task 4 is test your knowledge. Okay. So moving forward, firstly we have to set up the lab. So according to the instructions, click on Start Lab, then click on I am not a robot. Now click on Open Google Console, click on Next, then copy this password and paste it over here. Click on Next, I understand. Click on I agree to the terms and conditions, then click on Agree and continue. So this is your Cloud Console. After this, we have to activate the Cloud Shell. So to activate the Cloud Shell, first instruction is that we have to click on Activate Cloud Shell. Okay. Now click on Activate Cloud Shell. It will take some time. Click on Continue. So this is your Cloud Shell. Okay. Click on Got it. So to activate the Cloud Shell, you have to copy this command and paste it in the Cloud Shell and press Enter. Now click on Authorize, and you will see this output after running this command. Okay. Now copy this command and paste it again in the Cloud Shell. Press Enter. Now your Cloud Shell is activated. So moving forward to the first task, which is create an instance from the Cloud Console. According to the instructions, firstly we have to go on the navigation menu, then we have to click on Compute Engine and then PM instances. So firstly we will go to navigation menu, then Compute Engine, and then we have to go on Virtual VM instances. Now you have to click on Create Instance. After creating on Create Instance, name this instance as GCE Lab. You can copy this from here and paste it here. Okay. After naming the VM instance, you have to check the region should be US Central 1, zone should be US Central 1B, series should be E2, and machine type should be 2V CPU. Just check all these that region is US Central 1, it is correct. Zone is US Central 1B, it is also correct. Series also we need E2 series only, and we need machine type of 2V CPU. It is of 2V CPU only. Now we have to allow the HTTP traffic, not HTTPS traffic. Okay, so check this box and click on create. Now you can see that your instance has been created. Okay, so moving forward to the next instruction. So to connect your SSH to the virtual machine, click on SSH over here. It is transferring the SSH keys. Okay, so now it is connected. So the task 1 is completed. Now moving forward with the task 2, we have to install an nginx web server. So we have to follow these commands. Okay. To update the OS, we have to use the command sudo apt get update. So simply copy this command and paste it in this. Okay. And press enter. Now it is showing that it is done. Now to install the nginx server, you have to use this install command. Copy this and paste it here. And then press enter. Okay. After that, you have to confirm that your nginx server is running or not. So copy this command and paste it here and then click enter. Okay, so it is running properly. Now to see this type of web page, you have to click on the external IP link, okay, which is over here. This link, okay, external IP. See, this type of web page will appear. Welcome to the nginx. Okay. Now click on check my progress. If green tick appears, then it means you have successfully created an compute engine instance and added the nginx server to your instance. Okay, so here we have completed the second task. Now moving forward to the third task, which is create an instance with gcloud. So in the first task, we didn't create the instance with the gcloud commands. And in this, we will create the instance with the gcloud commands. Okay, so copy this command and paste it in the cloud shell. Paste it over here and then press enter. Okay. Now click on check my progress that the new instance has been created or not. So our instance has been created successfully. Now to see the defaults, run this command, copy this and paste it here and press enter. So it is showing the same output that we needed. Simply to exit this, click on Ctrl plus C. So to check that the second instance has been created or not, simply click on navigation menu and then click on compute engine and click on VM instances. Here you can see that the second instance has also been created. Now to add the zone, copy this command and paste it in the cloud shell. Copy this command and paste it in the cloud shell. It has shown that your zone has been created. Now if you want to continue, press Y and then enter. Okay. Now simply to disconnect the SSH from the remote shell, you have to copy this exit command and you have to paste it over here. Now The task 3 is also completed, and here it must be showing 100 on 100 and your assessment is already completed. Okay, so after this you have to delete these instances. Click on delete, then delete the second instance also. Now both the instance will be deleted. So we have completed this lab. Simply click on end lab, click on submit, give some ratings and write additional comments and click on submit. Click on this back button which is on the left hand side. Now you can see that our second lab has also been done. Next we will be doing getting started with Cloud Shell and gcloud.